Okay, another detector comparison here. Folks may find this interesting, and it could benefit you depending on what your target of interest are and where you're hunting maybe. Now we're going to look at on this is the two prospecting modes on the Equinox 800 and the Go field on the Deus 2. Got a lot of balls of fall, and there's a clad dime under that 2x4, okay? And I'll show it at the end of the video, and I may actually do a U.S. nickel under there as well. Okay, so here's prospecting 1. I'm not touching nothing. This is stock prospecting 1. Now that's a clad dime that's under there. See that meter? 11 through 15. So you wouldn't know there's a clad dime down there, would you? I wouldn't. All right, prospecting 2. Now that's from about 2 inches above the fall. I can lower the call a little. Okay, so you see that there. That's not a clad dime nowhere near a high conductor ID on this detector. The old Deus 2 got 11-inch call on it. I have looked at this with a 9-inch call, and what you're fixing to see, you will see similar results with the 9-inch call on this machine in Goldfield. This is stock Goldfield. I hadn't touched a thing. Okay. I got an 87 in the meter. How about that? See that? 85. Let's see, 88. I'm gonna raise the call a little. I'm about 4.5 inches above that fall right there. Got an 86. Now I'm down real close to that fall. Got 88 in the meter. Now I'm going to turn the camera off. First, let me raise this up here and let you see it here. See there? Look at there. That old clad dime down there. Underneath that fall. Now I'm going to replace that dime with a nickel. We're going to repeat this test. U.S. nickel under that 2x4. Under, you know, and that falls on top of it there. Okay. Now here's the old Deus 2. 63. That's about what a nickel ID on this machine. I'm going to bring the call up. That's about 4 inches above that fall, and there's real close. 63. Okay, now if you remember when I had the dime under there, this Equinox was trying to give more closer to a nickel ID. So what's it going to do this time? You would expect maybe it would go lower than a nickel? We'll see. Let's see. We'll go to prospecting 1 first, okay? So ID is lower than a nickel. Okay, now here's prospecting 2. Down real close. Okay, so you do get lower than a nickel ID. So, a person could, in high mineral ground, you know, if you wanted to use Goldfield in a polluted site, it might help you find coins, more sizable relics, okay? You try that with an Equinox, and you're going to get more distorted ID on select digging. And you'll probably see your ID is going to be lower, okay? It's going to sense this smaller junk, okay?